Hi everybody, happy Tuesday. Okay, so today what we're going to be working on is rounding and finding an estimate in order to add and find sums and differences quickly. So remember, sums are answers to addition problems and differences are answers to our subtraction problems. So if I look over at my screen right now, I see that I have an addition problem. So I'm looking for a sum, okay? Now, in order to round, I need to look at both of these big numbers, which are in their thousands, and I need to round them to their highest value. So right now, looking at my two numbers, their highest value is always going to be in the front. So right now, their highest value is 1,000. If they kept going and it was at 1,000,000, we'd be rounding to millions, okay? But you always want to round to its highest value. So we follow the exact same rounding rules. So I find the number that I want to round it to, so which is my thousands. I underline my neighbor next door. I ask myself, is my neighbor 4 or less or 5 or more? I know my neighbor is 5 or more because it's 7, so that means my 3 plus, I raise the score, so I plus 1. So now I have 4,000 plus, let's round this number now. Okay, so I'm looking again at the thousands because I'm rounding to the highest place value. I underlined my number before. I asked myself, is that underlined number 4 or less or 5 or more? This number is 4 or less. It's less than 4, it's number 1. That means this number gets to rest and it gets to stay the same, so that's 2,000. Now I can quickly add 4,000 plus 2,000. I line up my zeros, I add them up. 4 plus 2 equals what? 6,000. So that is my estimate. This word is my estimate. That means it's about that much. Okay? Because if I were to add really quickly, I would get 5,913. And again, if I'm rounding, 9 is 5 or more, so that goes to 6, okay? So we're finding this answer. See how quick I was able to do that once I rounded? Okay, so that's what we're going to be working on today.